In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canvas in ChatGPT. What is Canvas and how to use it? Think of Canvas as a focused workspace inside ChatGPT that's built for longer writing and editing projects. Instead of juggling many separate chats or losing track of drafts, Canvas lets you work on documents, code, and complex content side by side with the AI. It gives you a more structured environment than a standard conversation, which makes organizing, revising, and improving large projects much easier. To get started, open a project in Canvas and begin writing directly, or paste in content you've already drafted elsewhere. You can start with a quick outline or drop in a full article. Both approaches work. If you're not sure what to say, try a simple prompt like, "Help me write and edit a 2,000-word blog post using Canvas." The key is to give clear context so the AI understands your goals and audience. Once your content is in place, ask ChatGPT to edit, expand, summarize, or rewrite specific sections. You might highlight a paragraph and say, "Tighten this up for clarity," or request a fresh angle for a sluggish introduction. An example prompt you can use is, "Review this article and improve the introduction, conclusion, and readability." The more precise your instructions, the better the results. If you're comparing options, you can ask for 2 or 3 variations and pick the one you like. As you work, make changes directly within the canvas. You can refine sentences, add headings, or rearrange paragraphs while keeping the full project on screen. This keeps you in the flow, no copy-pasting between tools, and helps you see how edits affect the whole piece. Treat the AI as a collaborative partner, ask questions, request explanations for edits, and iterate until the tone and structure feel right. Canvas shines across many use cases. It's excellent for writing blog posts, reports, and ebooks, for drafting resumes, business plans, and proposals, and for editing long-form content and research documents. If you're working with code, you can develop and review projects in one place. Try a prompt like, "Create a complete business plan and organize it into sections using Canvas" to see how it structures complex work from the start. The biggest benefits are organization, efficiency, and momentum. Canvas keeps large projects in one place, streamlines collaboration with AI, and helps you manage complex writing and coding tasks without losing track of your progress. When you're refining rough material, use a prompt like, "Turn my rough notes into a polished article," and highlight areas that need improvement. With clear guidance and a little iteration, Canvas can dramatically improve productivity on long documents.